The development of ecology as scientific discipline can be traced back to mid-19th century, where naturalists began to observe and describe the relationships between organisms and their environment. However, the roots of ecology can be traced back much further to the ancient Greeks and their observations of the natural world. The ancient Greeks, particularly Aristotle, made some of the earliest observations about the natural world, including the relationships between different species of organisms. However, it was not until the 19th century that ecology began to merge as distinct field of study. The German biologist Ernst Haeckel is often credited with coining the term ecology in 1886, mean 1866, which he defined as the study of interaction between organisms and their environment. One of the most influential figures in the early development of ecology was the English naturalist Charles Darwin. Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection provided a framework for understanding how organisms adapt to their environment over time. In particular, Darwin's observation of Galapagos finches and their beak morphology helped to illustrate the process of natural selection and the role of adaptation in shaping the diversity of life. Another key figure in the history of ecology was the American writer and naturalist Henry David Thoreau. Thoreau's observation of natural world, particularly his detailed record of the flowering times of plants in Concord, Massachusetts, helped to lay the groundwork for the study of phenology, the study of timing of natural events. In the late 19th and the early 20th century, a number of pioneering ecologists began to develop the modern science of ecology. One of the most important early ecologists was the British biologist Charles Elton, who developed the concept of food chain and conducted some of the first studies of predator-prey interactions. Another important figure in the development of the ecology was Russian biologist George Gers, who conducted a series of experiments on competition between species. Gers's work helped to establish the principle of competitive exclusion, which states that two species cannot coexist indefinitely in the same ecological niche. In the mid 20th century, the field of ecology underwent a major expansion as ecologists began to apply new tools and methods from other disciplines such as physics, chemistry, and mathematics. This led to development of new subfields within ecology such as population ecology, community ecology, and ecosystem ecology. Today, ecology is a broad and interdisciplinary field that encompasses a wide range of topics and approaches. It plays an important role in understanding and addressing some of the pressing environmental issues of our time, from climate change and biodiversity loss to habitat destruction and pollution.